everyone, so I'm back with another unboxing. So for today's unboxing I have Harry Potter keychains. I got 2 of those. I got a Shotgun Season 4 basket or cart. I got 2 Season 4 5 packs. And ignore the cats walking across it, across the screen. I don't know why they always have to interrupt me when I'm doing my videos. Okay, so I'm just gonna move all these to the side and put this in here. So I'm going to start. See, now you can see these ones. Okay, Shanty. The kittens are driving me insane. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is the Shopkins Season 4. And again, ignore the cats. These are the Shopkins that I got. I'll show you better in a few seconds. So I got, for the first one, I got Minty. So here's Minty. I don't have Minty in this color, so that's good. The second one I have. Oh, okay, everyone leave stuff alone. Woo! Okay, Shanty, I want that back. Okay, this is Ice Cream Queen, and I do not have this one, and if I am correct, that one is a common, and Minty is a common. So I'll just check those off afterwards. Okay, I'm going to open this season 4 5-pack first. Okay, no, don't play with my checklist. Okay. Ooh. How do you even? Okay, that's how you open this. And then we do that. Okay. So this is in the 5 packs. This is the basket it comes in. So it just kind of opens, and you kind of carry on your petkins. That's kind of cool. So I'll just move Harry out of the way up there. So I'll just put that there. So I'm just gonna get my checklist off so I can tell you what we got. So these were the exposed ones. So this one is Cheeky Cherries, and this is a common, and I don't have these. Oh, here she is. This is Handbag Harriet. She's a common, and I don't have her in this color. This is Prickles, and he is also a common, and I don't have him at all. So he's the first one for me. And then I have a Petkin, and this is Rita Remote. Whoop. And I do not have Rita Remote at all, so she is in this purple pink color. So she is new for me, and she's a Petkin. Now for our surprise one. And I forgot my scissors, so hold on. Oh, they have a tear tab. Oh, this one is a duplicate for me. I got this in another video. It's the Pet Shop ones. And this one is Tina Cat Food. So I already have her already. So that's depressing, but that's okay. That happens. Should I grab a trash bag? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open Harry Potter. So I kind of felt these in the store. I did not feel this one. I just grabbed it. So these are the ones you can get on the back. You can get Hedwig, Hogwarts Express Train, Hogwarts Train Ticket, Harry's Wand, the Dark Mark, 2 mystery ones, which if you're familiar with the movie, you already know this one is Dobby. And this is the monster book. Then we have the Triwizard Cup, Felix Potion, and then the Snitch. I am actually going for this book, but if not, I'm kind of happy with anyone at this point. So let's open it up and see what we got. Oh! I got the Snitch! Wow, look how... I just want to show you how detailed these are. So I got these from my local Hot Topic store. And these are extremely detailed. I can't believe how detailed these are. There's a bit of paint smudge, but for $7, they're not that bad. And then they come with this Harry Potter. Whew, you can't even see it now. This Harry Potter tag. That's cool. And they're a really sturdy figure. Big, but really sturdy. So I'm just going to put him... I should put him by the Petkin here. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open the other season 5. Well, season 4, not season 5. Season 4 5-pack. This is the last one that I have for this video. Oh, this box is opening so much better than the first box. It's funny. I pretty much like ripped that one, the shreds. So again, we have another basket. We have our mystery and our 4 open ones. Come on, okay. Hear the struggle. So first of all, we're going to start with this Petkin. This Petkin is a duplicate. When I purchased this, I assumed I didn't have this Petkin. Turns out, I do. So this is Bonadette. So that is a Petkin, and that's the duplicate. And then we got to complete the Cheeky Cherries, we got the red version. So now I got them both, and they're both commons. And then we've got Comfy Chair. And the Comfy Chair is a new one for my collection, and it's a common. Then we have this one, which is Pancake Jake. and it's a rare. I have the other pancake jig. Now I have this one to complete that. The only thing that's weird is pancake jig on my checklist shows up purple. This one is pink. Just saying. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm just saying. Now for our mystery one. Oh. Okay, good. Okay, so it's not a double. It's not a double. This is Phoebe Fork or Penelope. I'll go with Phoebe Fork. It's rare, and I don't own her at all. So yay! And my voice probably just looking weird there. So now we're gonna go ahead and open Harry Potter, our last one. Now this one's extremely heavy. I'm telling that to everyone that is interested in Harry Potter. This one is heavy. So we'll see what's inside of it. Yes! Yes! Okay, so this is an exclusive, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This is the one I wanted. Oh my goodness. This is the monster book. Not exactly how I thought it would be, because on here it does not look like anything like it's on here. But this is the monster book. So here's a key for all of you. If you want to find the monster book, find the heaviest one. Because this thing is literally heavy, you guys. It's solid plastic and it's heavy, and you can feel that it's kind of square. I actually thought it was gonna be the Hogwarts train ticket. It turns out it was this. So, and this is what I wanted. So I'm so happy. And this was actually my first time, other than getting the snitch. I had never opened these at all because I was sort of nervous that I would end up getting duplicates. So I really felt this. This is the one I did actually feel, not the Quidditch, the snitch one. I didn't feel, I just grabbed it. This one I actually felt for. So I'm so happy. So I'm going to kind of show you in detail what it looks like. So these are just painted on. It's just solid. It's just a solid rectangle. These are painted on. So the teeth, the mouth, the fur is kind of all painted on. They could have done a better job with these, but for $7, not that bad. And I got these from Hot Topic. These puff out. And the detail of them are really good. Or is really good. And you can kind of see the lines or book pages. And again, it has the Harry Potter tag. So I am actually really happy with this. So I just, here, I'll put this up here. And yeah, we go. I'll balance that up there. And I'll put the snitch right below it. Except for you can't really see the snitch, so. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for watching. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.